I was tasked to provide accomplishment and information of the Business Permit Licensing Office. This office is in charge in catering applications of business permit, new renewal, and retirement. We ensure that before the permit has been issued, the business establishment complied all the necessary requirements. Based on the municipal ordinance, first work day of January is the start of Business One-Stop Shop until January 20. Prior also on the extension approved by the Sangguniang Bayan, as the case may be, and also in pursuant to RE 11032, the Act of of Doing Business or EODB, the Business One-Stop Shop or BOSS brings all the regulatory agencies or offices in one physical space for the convenience of our permittees, and we are compliant in this during the renewal period. And as of today, we have catered 142 registered business, 1,050 renewed business, total of 1,192 registered business as of May 2026. The total amount collected from the business permit as of the month of May, 28,496,714.70 centavos. Last year, the total collection from the business permit is 29,194,802.39 centavos. Since March, we have started sending reminder letter for those who did not renew their business permit, demand letter for those who has not yet registered their business, encouragement letter for those newly opened their business, and of course, thank you letter from the Office of Municipal Mayor for those who registered their businesses. Aside from that, we also send notices for the quarterly payment to avoid penalty and surcharges. Periodically, our team have conducted barangay tax campaign for the 36 barangays and it is ongoing for the remaining barangays. So far, we have collected 282,650 from this campaign. Since the declaration of energy crisis in the Philippines, the BPLO office also conducted fuel price monitoring and calibration to all registered gasoline stations in compliance with the mandate of the ILG and the OA to ensure that there will be no overpricing, hoarding on the gasoline here in Ilongos. And starting tomorrow, we have the schedule for the GIT for the joint inspection together with the PNP, BFE, Municipal Planning, Municipal Engineering, GSU, the Sanitary Inspector, and the Traffic Enforcer to ensure compliance of each business establishment governed by existing local laws. Through dedication, teamwork, commitment, and supervision of our department head, Sir Virgin Natividad, and the strong support of our Municipal Mayor, Manuel R. Hermosa, Municipal Administrator, Attorney General John M. Narves, the objective or the goal of this office will be achieved. That's all. Thank you. Angat ka, Hinong Usman.